I'll cut. Hey, I'll tell them.
All right, everybody. I'm back with part two.
Yes, sir. Get 2 or 3 of them out of there.
Part two, footage from the first annual Juggalo Johnny's car show here in New Boston, Texas. Once again, it's your big homie, Big Stan, coming at you. Yeah, I just finished judging. Yeah, I just finished submitting all of my judging.
Okay, back to the regular
So
schedule program.
I had to come back and let y'all get some more footage before they begin the parade. They're actually gonna do a parade. As y'all can see, we've got this 83 Cutlass with the Dallas Cowboy theme going on. Y'all already know I can dig that. All right, we got a Mustang here. And again, I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to me, everybody that has always supported Big Stan since day one, whether it's with the cause, with professional wrestling, with whatever I've done on an extracurricular basis. I appreciate everybody's love and support here on the YouTube. Yeah, it's a pretty nice Mustang right here. And again, big shout out to all my fellow hobbyists and collectors out there. Yeah, man, this Bel Air right here, man, it's on another level. It's nice. As y'all can see, we've got the model car in there. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's extra points from Big Stan. If I see that you got a model car, a custom model car that matches your vehicle, that gives you extra interior points from the big homie when I'm judging on a car show. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is a nice ride right here. 55 Bel Air. Here at the Juggalo Johnny's first annual car and bike show in New Boston, Texas. Y'all check this out. Both of these right here were some top bills, in my opinion. And there's a lot of stiff competition out here, don't get me wrong. But the Bel Air and this truck right here is 52 F1, Ford F1, man. I'm telling you. You gotta be here to really be able to appreciate this. But I'm trying my best to give you some top quality footage, because when I tell you it's really going down here in New Boston, Texas, we had a lot of people to show up and get involved in this deal. I'm just happy to be a part of it. Honored to be able to say that I was a part of this first annual event. And we got this Chevelle. Got this Chevelle jumping off right now. Yeah, man. Hey, shout out to Pac at the 3 live stream. Shout out to my brother Marcos, M3 Reviews, Matt 1989 Cars, Dare 2727, Pop the Trunk Toys. LUGK Model Car Club, Block Boys RC Club, Jeffries, the big homie G with OG ENT. Y'all already know how he represents on the West Coast with the Majestics. How's it going, sir?
Pretty good.
All right, all right. Doing all right, man?
Pretty good.
All right, all right. All right, also, big shout out to Detail Junkies. My man Dig, David Bayan. Who's always putting it down at Detail Junkies. Providing all kinds of cool stuff for your model car needs. He has all sorts of hip-hop inspired figures. Man, he creates a lot of good stuff, man. 164 customized specialty cars that he offers. A lot of limited edition items that he has over at Detail Junkies, man. Shout out to We Gon' Ride TV. Shout out to my man Peblo Pac, aka Pac-Man, over on the West Coast. He just recently re-emerged on the model car scene, on the Facebook scene. You know what I'm saying? And this is just part 2. I'm gonna actually do a part 3. So whatever I don't get on this video, don't worry. I got some more coming at you. If we gotta do a part 4, I ain't messed up about it, baby. Because I am the big homie. And I am gonna do what I do. And let's take it all the way to the top. You feel me? And what y'all think about this Challenger right here? This is a super bad mama jamma right here, baby. Jezebel. Oh, yeah. That's all right, ain't it, man?
Yeah, it is. That's
Yes,
all
sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
That's a very beautiful car.
Yes, sir. Definitely, definitely. Yeah, we got a really good turnout, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always good when it's like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Jezebel is looking good here on this beautiful Saturday morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What's your name, sir?
Stonehawk.
Stonehawk?
Don Hall.
Oh, Don Hall. I'm
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
Stan Harris.
Stan Harris.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You
sir.
from around here?
I'm from Texarkana.
Are you?
Yes, sir.
I live in Winsboro now, and I grew up in Naples.
Okay, okay,
I went to school at Pewitt. We used to play New Boston all the time
okay. Right on.
back in the day.
I got a lot of family from Hooks.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, from Hooks, Texas. So,
sir.
yeah, man, I'm just here in support of my good friend, man. You know.
I hear you.
Yes, sir.
That's
Yeah,
what
he.
it's about.
Yes, sir. He supported me. You know.
In the times that we're facing now, around the world,
Yes, sir.
things like this right here is what bonds people.
Absolutely.
I would like to give a huge shout out to
Color don't
Dorado's
matter,
Meats and Deli
race,
out of Maud,
where you're
Texas.
from,
They're
Absolutely.
who you are,
Houston
how much
Street,
money
Maud,
you got.
Texas.
Yes,
None of
sir.
that matters.
Two
Yes, sir.
gifts out there.
Absolutely.
If we
One of
do
those
things
is
like
going
this,
to
bring
David
communities
Briggs
together.
Yes.
with
That's what
Coyote.
bonds this country,
Yes, sir.
and we need more of it.
the
You're
other
you're absolutely right,
going
Mr.
to
Don.
Chuck
Hey,
Martin
I want to take this time to
with his black
salute you
belt.
and thank you for all that you've done for us,
Well, I thank you
for this
very
country.
much. I
Yes,
appreciate
sir.
it. And I
It's
thank you
guys.
for what you're doing.
Yes,
too.
sir. Yes, sir. It's a pleasure to meet you,
It's
sir.
very pleasure.
Yes, sir. Hey, if you need to talk back to me again before you get out of here,
Yes, sir.
just ask for
I'm
Big
gonna
Stan.
wander around a little bit.
All right, all right. Yes, sir. Well, again, it was a pleasure to meet you and salute to you, sir.
It was very nice to meet you.
All right, enjoy the rest of the
Talk
show.
to you later.
Yes, sir. All right, everybody. See, that's how we doing it around here today. Let me give a extended big up and big shout out to all the men and women, all the brave men and women that have served this country, that have done all that they had to do, put their lives on the line for our freedom here in the USA. You already know Big Stan has nothing but love and appreciation for you. Nothing but respect, the utmost respect. Somehow we've got a Pepsi can on the ground here, but it's all right. We're gonna keep it pushing.
I am able to
Hey, what y'all think
donate
about this?
$176 to Rockside
Man.
Resource Center. There you go. And as soon as I get the other 176, it's going to Tony Witt and his family for his sister that was tragically killed by the dogs last month. Tony.
All right, everybody. I'm gonna try to.
Sorry, it's not more brother, but
I'm gonna try to do
There's
about.
176 to go
I'm gonna
to
run this one up until
I'm
about
sorry to hear
15
about
minutes.
What happened.
I'm gonna stop this one at the 15-minute mark, and I'll do a part 3, and we'll see where that takes us. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause we got a few cars out here, man. I'm just saying. Don't sleep on Juggalo Johnny, baby. Don't sleep on the first annual Juggalo Johnny car show, daddy. Because we out here. We out here and we getting it in. And y'all already know the turn up is real when the big homie is in the house, baby. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna shut it down with this white and blue Mustang right here. Yeah, because we got a lot of muscle. We got a lot of muscle in full effect here today, baby. That's right, check that out. And again, I hope everybody's enjoying the footage. Please be sure to leave me your feedback, if all possible. And I'm sorry if, I can't mention everybody's name, man. That's why I say in general, everybody. that supports Big Stan. I really appreciate it. And we're gonna do a part 3 coming up. So be on the lookout for that. Until then, y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it do. All right, everybody. Yeah.